Why Elon Musk loves Dogecoin. Elon Musk is no stranger to digital currencies. The billionaire founder made part of his wealth by creating PayPal, a digital payments company. Over the past couple of months, Elon Musk has shared several tweets encouraging people to buy Dogecoin, something that has led to a price increase for the digital currency every time he shares a tweet about it. But first let's see, what is Dogecoin? Like all cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is a digital currency that can be bought and sold like an investment and spent like money. Although each crypto is unique, it shares some similarities with its better-known peers. Its code is based off the script for Litecoin, for example. But it has a couple key differences. Its main differentiator, its active online community, is what makes the oddball currency so fun. The group, which is active on Reddit, has raised money for charity. Dogecoin is the hottest, quirkiest cryptocurrency on the planet. The total value of the Dogecoins in circulation is nearly $50 billion, not bad for a digital currency that started as a joke. How did it start? Dogecoin was created December 6, 2013, by a pair of software engineers as a joke. Marcus looked for help making his weird dream a reality and found Jackson Palmer, who worked for Adobe. Palmer purchased the domain Dogecoin.com, a nod to the Doge meme that was all over the internet at the time. On Dogecoin.com, its mascot is captioned, "Dogecoin is an open-source peer-to-peer digital currency, favored by Shiba Inus worldwide." Over the past couple of months, Elon Musk has shared several tweets encouraging people to buy Dogecoin, something that has led to a price increase for the digital currency every time he shares a tweet about it. Following his tweet about getting a Shiba Inu, the price of Dogecoin rose by 7.61%. Elon Musk is the loudest and most prominent supporter of Dogecoin. One of his bizarre tweets to his 50 million followers can send the crypto surging. That's what happened Friday, when Musk tweeted Doge barking at the moon and shared a photo of a painting by Spanish artist Joan Miró, which is titled "Dog Barking at the Moon." At one point, a Twitter follower asked the Tesla boss why he loves Dogecoin, and Elon's response was that he loves dogs and memes, which are both represented in the digital currency. However, there are speculations that the Tesla founder is promoting the digital coin either because he is invested in it, or as his way of throwing taunts to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. In earlier tweets, he said that he would help make Dogecoin the currency of the internet by buying out major Dogecoin holders. Elon has also called for cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase to accept Dogecoin on their exchange. Already, other cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance have already added Dogecoin to their platforms. However, Elon, who is also known for his love of memes, has previously stated that most of his tweets about Dogecoin are meant as jokes and should not be taken seriously. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, even without notifications on. And smash the like button to help Dogecoin grow. Have a productive day. Bye.